Hey, fifth graders, good morning. We are going to start some math stuff today. It's going to be some review. So we are going to start today with fractions with the same denominator when you're adding and subtracting. This should not be that hard for you to remember. So here are your steps. It says if all fractions have the same denominator, make sure you see all fractions. Add the numerators and denominator stays the same. So let's look at a few of those. So if we look at this example right here, it says 2/3 plus 2/3. I add my top to get 4. My numerator is 4 and my denominator stays the same as 3. You can leave it as 4/3 as an improper fraction, or you can change it into that mixed number here, which is 1 and 1/3. It doesn't matter which way you do it, both are correct. Okay, let's look at another one. So our next one is 9/7 minus 5/7. Same thing as when you were adding, but now you're subtracting. You're going to take 9 minus 5, which is 4, and your denominator stays the same. So big things to remember when you're adding and subtracting for today, because we're going to unlike denominators next. You have to have the same denominator, and when you have that, you can add them across and your denominator stays the same. Remember, your denominator is talking about how many pieces there are total in your circle. The numerator is talking about how many are colored in. So remember that while you are working on some stuff today. So next thing that's going to happen, there are here 4 problems to you to do. On your Google Classroom, there is going to be a Google form for you to fill out, and I will have a video of that on here next. But when you fill out that Google form, it's just going to have those 4 questions plus the ones for improper or for fractions that have different denominators. So what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you answer these questions, solve them to your best of your ability, and you're going to add in that form and submit it so we can see what you know. Good luck.